Good day mga kamakinista. This video is a repost due to copyright claims of my background music. If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I will show you the operation, safety device test, log search, and maintenance of oily water separator or 15 ppm OWS equipment. Before we start, what is the use of oily water separator on board the ship? This equipment is used to separate hydrocarbons from the oily water coming from the bilge of the ship and deliver a cleaner effluent that can be discharged overboard according to IMO MEP C 10749 regulation. How to operate, test safety devices, and log search in a 15 ppm bilge separator, model HFM-200 BuildSmon 488. If the operation is to discharge bilge water, open overboard valves. But if you carried out the circulation bilge tank to bilge tank, switch the directional valve to bilge tank. Make it sure that the valve from first stage going to T-strainer, second stage, and the valve going to third stage are open. Open the valve to oily water separator. Open discharge valve of bilge pump. Open suction valve of bilge pump. Open suction valve going to bilge pump and bilge tank suction valve. Start the bilge pump. After starting up the bilge pump in the oily water separator, open third stage and fourth stage air vent to release air in the chamber and to confirm the OWS is full of water. Open the sample valve to activate the three-way valve and the system. And now the OWS is in bilge tank to bilge tank operation for 1 hour. As you can see, the three-way valve switched to overboard from bilge tank. This means you are starting now to discharge bilge water or bilge tank to bilge tank circulation is going on. This water is coming from the sample line that passes through the oil content meter or OCM. Like for example, if the oil content meter detects the hydrocarbons is more than 15 ppm, the three-way valve will switch to bilge tank. Since the operation is bilge tank to bilge tank, you can see the water flowing in the sight glass. And now, we are done with the operation. And now to stop the system, close the sample valve and the three-way valve switch to bilge tank. Stop the bilge pump. Close the valve from the bilge tank. Then suction valve to bilge pump, delivery valve and valve going to the OWS, and then close the overboard valves. This time we are going to test the 15 ppm alarm. Press enter key and hold, and then press abort key once. Press plus key to increase the set value to 15.1 ppm and the alarm sounded. Log search. This is how to show the number of events or entries currently available in the log memory or searching the previous discharge operation of the bilge water. Take note. Use UTC time to search previous entries. This is how to search log entries. Press plus key 2 times. Press enter key 2 times. And to move the cursor to the number that you are going to change the set value, press enter key. To lower the set value, press minus key. And to raise the set value of the number that you are going to change, press plus key. If the desired date and time is set, long press enter key. To show the record when the separator is on, press minus key 2 times. And the time when the separator is off, press plus key 3 times. Press abort key 3 times to return from the previous menu. Another log search of last year discharge operation. Press plus key 2 times. Press enter key 2 times. To move the cursor to the number that you are going to change the set value, press enter key. To lower the set value to the number that you are going to change, press minus key. And to raise the set value of the number that you are going to change, press plus key. Take note, in searching log entries, always use UTC time. When the desired date and time is set, long press enter key. To show the record when the separator is on, press minus key 2 times. And the time when the separator is off, press plus key 3 times. To return from the previous menu, press abort key 3 times. How to carry out cleaning and test. Open fresh water valve. Press plus key 3 times to cleaning and test menu. Press enter key and press minus key to perform the test and cleaning of measuring cell. Then the water comes out to the sample water line. Press minus key to stop the operation and press abort key 3 times to go back to the main menu, then close the water valve. How to set OCM clock. Press plus key 4 times to settings, then press enter key once. Press plus key 3 times to set clock, then press enter key to move the cursor to the number that you are going to set. Press minus key to lower down the set value, and plus key to raise the set value. If desired time is set, long press enter key. Press abort key 4 times to return to the previous menu. How to test automatic oil discharge device. Automatic oil discharge device is fitted in the first stage chamber and composed of oil probe and a motor-driven valve. How to test. Move the switch to test and the valve will open. And now the valve is opening. To close the valve, move the switch to run position and the valve will close again. Periodical cleaning maintenance of oily water separator. First stage. First stage is composed of multiple parallel plates and divided into 2 layers in the separating compartment, and it performs the rough separation of oil from the bilge water. Second stage. Second stage is fitted with a hard type emulsion breaker, and it filters the foreign matters to prevent clogging of the third and fourth stage coalescer. Third stage. Third stage, it contains a coalescer which allows small particles of oil to coagulate and become bigger in size and float to the surface. This coalescer is made of stainless. It is also heat and corrosion resistant glass fiber and can separate oil of 15 to 20 microns particles. Fourth stage. Fourth stage, it contains a coalescer which coagulates small particles of oil that cannot be separated in third stage and become bigger in size and float to the surface. T-shaped strainer. T-shaped strainer is a self-cleaning type to arrest any sludge and foreign matters which escape in separation in first stage in order to protect the coalescer elements. It is made of stainless steel with 100 mesh per inch. Replacement of 15 ppm bilge alarm, bilge mon 488 sensor unit or measuring cell. Disconnect the copper tube connections from the sensor unit or measuring cell. Remove the connector fittings from the sensor unit. Loosen 2 pieces fastening bolts of the sensor unit. Upon removing the sensor unit from the master unit, the alarm sounded. Lost communication is indicated in the display. When replacing the sensor unit, make sure not to touch the LED part of the master unit and the sensor unit. Replace the sensor unit with a new one. Connect the sensor unit to the master unit and tighten the two bolts with wrench. Connect all connectors of copper tube fittings. In case the lost sensor communication is displayed, tighten again the fastening bolts. Confirm if the display in the Bilchmon 488 is indicated properly and replacement of sensor unit is completed. That's all for the oil water separator, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for updates of my new uploaded video.